Ever wondered why Indian culture stands as one of the most diverse and colorful cultures in the world? It's a journey that spans over 5,000 years, a mosaic of influences, adaptations, and evolution. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the richness of Indian culture from the ancient times to the present day. The dawn of Indian culture is traced back to the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest urban civilizations. Flourishing around 2500 BCE, this society was known for its impressive city planning, seals, pottery, and a unique yet undeciphered writing system. Their influence spread across the Indian subcontinent, laying the foundations of the diverse culture we observe today. As centuries rolled by, the Vedic Age emerged around 1500 BCE. It was during this period that the sacred texts of Hinduism, the Vedas, were composed. These texts, rich in hymns, rituals, and philosophies, have had a profound influence on Indian social structures and belief systems, shaping the spiritual fabric of Indian society. Fast forward to the Maurya and Gupta empires, often referred to as the Golden Age of India. This was a time of remarkable advancements in literature, science, art, and architecture. The epic Mahabharata and Ramayana were composed, and the roots of Buddhism and Jainism were established, further diversifying the cultural landscape. The medieval period witnessed the arrival of Islam, bringing a fusion of Indian and Persian cultures. The architecture of this period, with its intricate calligraphy and domed structures, is a testament to this cultural blend. This era also saw the birth of unique music forms such as qawwali and ghazals. Then came the colonial era, which brought Western influences to Indian culture. English became a lingua franca, and Western education and ideas seeped into Indian society. This period also sparked a resurgence of Indian nationalism, leading to the birth of modern India. In the post-colonial era, India has continued to evolve while maintaining its cultural identity. The influence of globalization is evident in the fusion of traditional and Western styles in fashion, food, and entertainment. Yet, traditions like yoga, Ayurveda, and Indian classical music and dance forms continue to thrive, both domestically and internationally. So, what have we discovered in this exploration? From the ancient Indus Valley Civilization, through the Vedic Age and the Golden Age, to the medieval period, the colonial era, and the post-colonial era, Indian culture has been a dynamic, evolving entity. It's a culture that has embraced change while holding on to its roots. A culture that is as diverse as it is united. This, in essence, is the captivating journey of Indian culture. A journey that continues to evolve, inspire, and captivate the world.